Evaluate square root of 8 to the power of square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 to the power of square root of 8. Solution. Square root of 8 can be written as square root of 2 raised to power 3 to the power of square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 to the power of square root of 8 is 4 multiplied by 2. Now take note of this, that if you have square root of a, this is equal to a raised to power 1 over 2. And if you have x raised to power 1 over 2, this is equal to square root of x. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 to the power of 2 square root of 2. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of square root of 2 divided by 2 raised to power 1 over 2 to the power of 2 square root of 2. Now take note of this rule, that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power n m. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 root 2 over 2 divided by, this will cancel this, 2 raised to power root 2. Now if you have a raised to power n over a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n minus m. This is equal to 2 raised to power 3 root 2 over 2 minus root 2. This is equal to 2 raised to power root 2 over 2, and which is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by root 2. This is equal to square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2. And this is the final answer. Thank you.